Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome you to All Semarang, Central Java. First of all, you should adjust your watch since we are at a different time area. Our local time is currently 8 a.m. Before I explain to you all further about our tour for today, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Iqbal. I'm your tour guide for today from Harapan Tour and Travel Agency. Our itinerary for today starts at Candi Gedong Songo. This is a resort on the shape of Mount Ungaran about 900 meters above sea level. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building, a group of the small ancient Hindu-Javanese temple, can be reached either by car on the horseback from the town, built at about the same time as the temple of Dieng Complex. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building, is one of the most beautifully set temple complex in the Central Java, and the views along the worth the trip. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building, belong to earliest antique of the Java. They follow up the temples on the Dieng Plateau directly for the waterfall time. They were also built in a high the mountain and also full with the volcanic activity, and they were also from the Hinduist origin. But where are temples on the Dieng Plateau are somewhat squeezed into a foggy valley. Gedong Songo are split over the higher part of the mountain, which granted a splendid view on clear days. The horizon is a one long row of volcanoes from the Mount Lau in the east toward Mount Sumbing, Mount Sundoro and Dieng Plateau in the west. The temple were built between 730 and 780. The first temple, except which could have built 30 years later. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building, is not the original name and thus also doesn't point the number structure. The number 9 has special meaning in the Javanese culture, in the which there is a strong attachment to number. The templates are located about same distance from each other, 100 meter, 200 meter, naturally from terrace of each mountain. Gedong Songo, or Nine Temple, is the name of the Hindu-style temple complex located in the Candi village, Bandungan district, Semarang Regency. The name Gedong Songo, or Nine Building, comes from the Javanese language, namely Gedong, which means it's a building, and Songo, which means night. Thomas Stanford Raffles was the inventor of the temple around 1804. Currently, Gedong Songo, or Nine Building temple is one of the popular tourist destinations in the Semarang. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building temple is a relic of the ancient Mataram kingdom, which was built around the 8th century. Rakai Mataram, Dukin, Sanjaya the king, was the one who built the Gedong Songo temple. At the beginning of his reign, however, this Hindu cultural heritage temple was only discovered by Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles in the 1804. At the first only 7 temple buildings were found, so it was named Gedong Pitu Temple. There around 1908 to 1911, a Dutch archaeologist named Van Steenkavlis discovered 2 additional temple buildings. Since then, in the exchange to Gedong Songo, temple of the has been renovated twice. The first restoration was carried out by Dutch colonial government from the 1928 to 1929, while the second restoration was carried out in the 1972 to 1982 by the Indonesian government. Gedong Songo, or Nine Building temple functioned as the place the worship of the gods. This is evident by the statue of the Shiva Mahakala, Shiva Mahakuru, and Ganesha. In the addition, the location of the temple on the mountain relate to belief in the Hindus. Hindus believe in the mountain or the above the god, the mountain as a high place. In the also believe in the maxim in the time worship. Hindu believe by doing worship in the high place, such a mountain will be closer to heaven. Gedung Songo, ornament building complex consists of the 5 gedung or the collection of temple, 2 of which they locate the east side of the hill, 2 of the north, and 1 on the west side. These following buildings are located in the Gedung Songo temple complex. Temple 1. This temple is located in an altitude of the 1,208 meter above the sea level, which in the width there is the yoni with a phallus, which is the symbol of fertility and fertility, which speak the lobe Demet. Temple 2 located the altitude of 1,297 meters above sea level in the building that are still intact. In the front of temple, there's the building this suspect by expert to the ancillary temple of small in the front of the main temple. Temple 3 located at altitude of the 1,297 meters above sea level, with 3 temples are the intact and the ancillary temple. Besides having a decoration stupa on the roof, this temple also the only temple use makara or statue shape of the elephant head. Temple 4 located the altitude of the 1,295 meters above sea level, with 1 temple that is intact surrounded by a temple ruin. Temple 5, the last temple in the altitude of 1,308 meters above sea level, with 1 temple building that is still intact to several temple ruins. Archaeologists estimate that the building was built during the Sailendra dynasty in the 9th century. Initially, Gedung Songo was named Gedung Pitu was traversed because at the time only 7 temples were found. However, in the 1825, Van Bram published of the new discovery, Gedung Songo was erected of the volcanic stone at the 2 complex represent the sum of the Hindu structure in the Java. Gedung Songo, ornament building, were built the 9th century, about the 100 years of the past 3 Javanese temples, such as Candi Arjuna, Candi Sewu, Candi Semar, Candi Lumbung, and the Under temple. In the contrast, Sukmono dates the 8th century and placed the Tiang temple to the 7th century. William de Marcy and the other place in the Gedung Songo temple closer to 780 to 830. The Tiang and the Gedung Songo temple are among the earliest best of Hindu temples. Built on the Java island, they predate to Borobudur and Prambanan, and so considered the influence from Indian Hindu temple architecture. The temple of Gedung Songo reflects a similar architecture of the Tiang Plateau, though there was less variation in the from that dome. Gedung Songo display from the emphasis of flint, the cornice smoothing, and the Gedung Songo tree, and the entrance was outlined by vestibule that is decorated by guardian figure. Gedung Songo 3 is also Shiva temple on the pair the facing Nandi shrine and the Parvati shrine next to the Shiva shrine. Gedung Songo 1 is the oldest with the square plan on the architecture in the predominant in the Hindu and Buddhist Hindu state of Central Java. However, the Gedung Songo 2 through 5 temple are usually among the notable exceptions as they have square sanctum, but the plain the base have the cylinder for porch, which give a rectangle shape. The architect of the latter group, Gedung Songo Temple, explored the design beyond that from the Tiang group and other of the Sewu, Sri Kandi, Puntadewa, Sandisari, and Ngawenswer, where ports are edited by building large base. Ketong Songo Temple nevertheless used the square principle, including the vertical direction, the call by Cupis Garbhagriha. Further, the same principle established the multi-stage superstructure Vimana and Shikara. The eye hole and the particle, like experiment with the Hindu temple architecture, this is evident the Tian group, Arjuna, Gatotkaca, and Bhima become established in the Ketong Songo as the Javanese style and they inspired to numerous Hindu and Buddhist Hindu. Therefore, both in the central Java, the architecture and the scene follow the Indian Sastra. Sanskrit texts are the architecture, but no similar in the Indian prototype of the yet known. The established the direct connection between the Hindu temple in the India those in the central Java, including the Tiang group and the Ketong Songo. This has allowed the two major competing with conjectures to ask the world built the original state temple in the Java and how did it systematic to knowledge. School and skills said to build even more complex mega temples emerged in the Java. One hypothesis supported by Jordan that the Indian origin at the inspired of tradition and schools have the other hypothesis. The spot by post and start the Javan pilgrim and the Indian between 7th and 8th century. They saw the temple. There are the great by version of the sweet material to terrain in Java. It's unclear which this there are variant conjunctures by maybe through historic project of the central Javanese temple architecture remains contest. The Ketong Songo temples and the other regional Hindu Buddhist temple near it were active in the 14th and 15th century as the evidence of the inscription date 1382 CE. Discovering the temple complex as well as other inscriptions the date 1449 and 1452 CE. However, it's unclear where the active conceptually or the occupied between on the 8th and 15th centuries. Okay. If you want to go Semarang again, don't forget to stop by special food and special drink. For example, babat gongso, pinggo babat, tahu gimbal, and many more. If you the drink has wedang tahu and jamujun. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for me. If you have any question, please just ask. If there are no question, I'm Iqbal from the Harapan Tour saying see you again.